Morning, guys. Starting a new week of what's in my husband's lunches. Today he's getting an orange Gatorade, one of these little Martinelli apple juices. I get these at Costco. This is the pumpernickel rye bread. I think it's by Pepperidge Farm. So it's like pumpernickel rye swirl, and there's turkey, lettuce, tomato, and some Gouda cheese on here with a little bit of mayo. A small little bag of Doritos, a hazelnut Uncrustable. He usually eats his Uncrustable if I pack him one in the morning. 3 cheese sticks. These are small cheese sticks. One is wrapped in salami, one is in pepperoni, and one is in prosciutto. And then a chocolate pretzel nut granola bar from Nature Valley. These are really good, by the way. This is lunch today. We will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up the work cooler. I'm giving Matt a orange Gatorade, a mango Lipton iced tea, and then one of these salads. I grab these at Walmart every once in a while. They have a lot of really good like variety. They're pretty inexpensive. They're under $3, and they actually even come with a fork in them. So this is just the lettuce and all the toppings with the dressing, again with the fork. So this will be like his main lunch at lunch break. A yogurt, which he'll probably have as a snack with the Uncrustable in the morning. One of these Nature Valley sweet and salty chocolate pretzel nut bars, and then a like a sharp cheddar cheese stick. And this is his lunch today. We will see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today he's getting an orange Gatorade, a Lipton white tea raspberry iced tea. That sandwich you guys saw me make on this is the rye pumpernickel bread. We've got the tuna, the spring mix, the cheese, the bacon, and a little bit of mayo just to make sure everything sticks. Some hard-boiled eggs that are just salt and peppered. A couple of these cheese sticks, a prosciutto, and a salami with a few little tomatoes. One of these chocolate pretzel nut bars, and then a Nutella to go. So this is his lunch today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up the work cooler. I'm giving Matt a Lipton white tea raspberry. One of these little mini orange sodas from Walmart. I've been getting like the little minis because they're just more convenient when you're on the go, and they're like 6 for $1. This is the King's Hawaiian sweetbread, and I just have cheese, turkey, and some mayo on here. One of these Nature Valley almond butter granola bars, and then this little veggie cheese tray. So there's carrots, celery, Colby cheese cubes, and then there's like a ranch dipping sauce in here as well. I personally think the ranch should be a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. And then some of these meat and cheese sticks, the little panino sticks. So there's salami, or pepperoni, salami, and prosciutto. And then I just threw 3 little grape tomatoes in there because they fit. This is lunch today, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Friday. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's cooler. I gave him a white tea raspberry, one of the Martinelli apple juices. In addition, he takes a water cooler every day, all year round, in case you're curious. We are actually just about to move. So I have been slacking on my lunch game, guys. I have been busy packing pretty much all day and getting ready to move my entire house to New York. So I apologize in advance because, again, my lunch game has been a bit off. I promise I'll get back on track once I get settled. But anyways, he's having a Smucker Uncrustable today in hazelnut. A friend of mine actually brought a pizza over yesterday and helped me pack, so we have leftover pizza. So I thought instead of a sandwich, I would give him a couple pieces of the leftover pizza. These are some light salt, like the less salt Pringles, and then a chocolate pretzel nut granola bar. So this is what he's taking today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.